been another great year, but it has been quite a crazy year this year, and we've worked really hard to achieve our vision of a Wales free from gender discrimination. We've connected, we've campaigned and we've championed, but of course we haven't done it alone and we can't achieve our vision alone. So we wanted to celebrate by making this film and showcasing some of the incredible work that our members and other women have done this year.
Well, there are huge challenges at the moment with the pandemic. The biggest one really that comes through when we speak to people is very much the restrictions around partners being involved in maternity care settings. For women themselves, where they are having to attend settings alone, they are maybe finding out news that is difficult, sometimes devastating. They're having to take information on board, and they're also sometimes having to make very difficult decisions alone. So what I have done is I've written to the ministers, I have co-signed open letters and supported really campaigns that are lobbying the government to make those changes.
Some of the challenges that we faced during lockdown is that the clients that we support, with the one-stop shop being closed, it's not possible for them to come out to seek help. So a lot of them are stuck at home with their domestic abuse issues. We managed to develop what we call a gardening project. We are able to ring up women and ask them about the plants. How are your plants doing? Have they sprouted? Have you watered them? How often do you water them? In between that, we could discreetly speak about domestic abuse without being sassed by the perpetrator. It helped us reach out to people that we would not normally have reached out during this crisis.
The crisis has affected people in different ways, and it's important for leaders to come from different backgrounds to enable solutions to be found for everybody. The WEN mentoring scheme is really important as it allows an opportunity for women to mentor other women, and I think it provides a safe space for women to explore potential opportunities out there. Delivering the WEN mentoring scheme online has been really good. I found it more accessible. We are able to fit it around work and also childcare, so it's been a lot more flexible as well.
So hi Sarah, great to see you. So can you describe what you did for Pregnant Then Screwed?
We had to do something quickly to support the hundreds and hundreds of women that were getting in touch with Pregnant Then Screwed to say, I need help, what can I do? So we set up a phone line. That was done very quickly. Within, a couple of weeks, we had a group of women who were all volunteers with Pregnant Then Screwed that were working shifts, 2 hours at a time, whatever we could manage, to run that phone line and be that support to women who had no one and needed help.
Thanks so much, Rachel, for agreeing to do this. In your experience, though, what health inequalities have been exacerbated for women during this period of lockdown?
Well, I think it's fair to say that women have a lot of issues with accessing healthcare anyway, in particular with things like pelvic health issues, endometriosis and a range of other conditions. But COVID-19 has just exacerbated this because it feels like we have been left with no doors open to us.
And how has FTWW helped you?
They've helped me because it's given me a place to go and a place for my voice to be heard. I think it empowers women. It's given us the resources and the tools to actually fight for our treatment and to take things forward.
Hi Jasna, great to see you. In a nutshell, Jasna, what's WEN done for you?
I have to say, you helping me have the voice. I hope that I'm going to be able to empower a lot more women and allow a lot more women to be able to raise their voices, develop and find the opportunities that maybe they otherwise wouldn't have had.